Good afternoon. My name is Lisette Garcia. I'm 26 years old. I am business administration student. I live in the city of Cali. I went to Cartagena while my boyfriend was visit many places, but my favorite place was Baru Island. The island in Amazon, it looks like paradise. It took a lot of pictures. The food was excellent. We ate fish, seafood, and patacones. I had a great time. We stayed in a hotel and the movie to family apartment and finale. Had fun surfing the waves. My boyfriend tells me it's time for other vacations. Recommendations. It is recommended that people in Cartagena wear sunglasses. It is essential that people bring repellent to Baru. It is important not bring a bottle white water to walls in the white city. It is advisable to wear a bathing suit. The use of sunscreen is essential in Cartagena. It is important to look at the tour place. It is essential to wear a suit hat. It is essential to catch tropical food. You should bring a camera. You should carry documents in order. You should bring hotel reservation. You should not carry tan on suitcase. You should not take medication, white hot and medical form. You should not carry cash. The weather was sunny all the time. Bye.